Hello guys, esse é um trechinho aqui que eu corto para você as partes mais interessantes de aulas mais longas e extensas que eu tenho. Então você pega aqui e pratica o teu listening, tá? É muito bom isso para você melhorar a tua conversação, que é o nosso foco. Não se esquece de curtir também, beleza?
I said to my girlfriend, so I will run on Sunday because that's the only day that I have.
Yeah.
But on Sunday was our meeting with her parents.
Oh,
We
got it.
scheduled to Saturday, but we have to schedule again
Oh, yeah.
to Sunday. Okay. So I was fuck, man. I can't postpone it.
Okay.
And it was 9 a.m. I was facing this trouble, and I made a choice. I decided to run from midday to 5:11.
Oh my God.
Sorry, it's 5 p.m. Midday from 5 p.m.
5 hours running.
Yeah, it's not 5 hours running because I need a lot of rest. When I got to 16, 15 kilometers, I am depleted and I have to sit down, to take water, to eat something, to try to run a little bit more.
I got it.
So, but I am very, very weak under the sun, I have no resistance.
Yeah.
I remember some days that I had to go to the downtown and I had to go under the sun and I passed out just because I was walking and the day was so hot.
Yeah.
And last Sunday was hot, any cloud, all the day burning.
Yeah.
And I started on midday. I put some sunscreen, I think sunscreen,
Okay.
to protect the skin.
Mm-hmm.
Got a lot of Gatorade, water, gel carb.
How much water do you drink while you're doing this?
I don't know because I put a lot of water on myself. I was not just drinking; I was throwing on myself.
Oh yeah.
That's a great technique to make the body to not lose some minerals and vitamins.
Oh yeah.
Because if you just sweat, you're gonna lose all your water running under the sun. But if you throw water in yourself, it's like a sweat,
Oh yeah.
So you feel wet. It's weird, run wet.
Wet.
My shirt was totally wet, but
Yeah.
it was good because I was not sweating so much.
Yeah.
So that was brutal. I did 21 kilometers again.
Yeah.
On 10, I was like, oh fuck. I was glad because I did 10 under the sun. That was unbelievable to me.
Yeah.
I couldn't imagine it. When I went there, I was, I will do some 2 or 3 kilometers when I will pass out. But okay, if I pass out, I give my maximum.
Yeah.
So I go and go. At the beginning, I was, man, it's so hot. Let's drink water. And I was drinking, and after that, I can't run because my stomach is full.
Oh yeah. That's crazy. So why you say that you are feeling bad about it? You didn't recover as well?
Yeah, I didn't. I'm not sure if it's a mental problem or a really physical problem. Because
Yeah.
since the race, I am feeling so tired, and I am eating tons, thousands of food. Every food that I find.
E aí, curtiu esse vídeo? Se você está assistindo esse vídeo no YouTube, você pode também me acompanhar no Instagram, que vai estar aqui do lado. E se você está no Instagram, você pode me acompanhar no YouTube. Assim você não perde nenhum conteúdo que eu crio exclusivamente para você. Beleza? See you in the next video.